Hi everybody, we're gonna make popovers tonight. These are really easy to do. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 425. And if you're gonna be using cast iron muffin pans, you're gonna need to grease these really well and put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, I got my pans greased. I'm gonna put them in for 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, while my irons are preheating, what you're gonna need is a bowl, a cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and kind of stir that together. Then you're gonna need 2 eggs beaten, and you're gonna need a tablespoon of melted butter. Pour the butter in your egg. And slowly you're gonna pour your egg mixture into your flour mixture. And get it all mixed up. Okay, once it's pretty mixed up, you're gonna get a cup of milk. And mix that in slowly, a little at a time. I use a whisk. Okay, once this is all mixed up, I'll be back with my hot irons. Okay, I'm ready to pull my irons out of the oven. Be careful. You're gonna fill your cups 2/3 of the way up with your mixture. These are gonna cook for about 32 minutes. And when they come out, I just gob them with butter, but I know people have opened up the bottom and put cheese in them, put some kind of meat in them. I just like them plain with a lot of butter. Okay, once these are filled, pop them back in the oven for about 32 minutes, and I will be back with a picture. Okay, I'm taking mine out a little earlier because my muffin pans are a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna let them cool for a second, and then I'll flip them over. Okay, so there's our popovers. And I know people break them open on the bottom and put jam or jelly in them, butter, meat, really whatever you like. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another recipe tomorrow. Bye.